Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this episode of Multicultural Astronomy, we will explore the contributions of Sripati and how his work helped make astronomical calculation more consistent and reliable. So let's get started. By the time of Sripati, Indian astronomy had become a mature mathematical tradition. Astronomers were not only refining earlier models, but also working to ensure that calculations were consistent and reproducible. One of the scholars who contributed to this stage was Sripati. His work focused on improving how astronomical calculations were performed and shared. This reflects an important development, astronomy becoming a discipline where results could be reliably reproduced by others. Sripati worked within a long-established tradition of mathematical astronomy. He built upon ideas of earlier scholars, including Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Lala. Rather than replacing earlier work, Sripati contributed by organizing and refining computational methods. This helped ensure that astronomers could apply the methods in a consistent way. Sripati made important contributions to the calculations of planetary motion, eclipse prediction, and astronomical cycles. His work introduced improvements that made these calculations more systematic and accessible. With clearer methods, astronomers could produce results that were not only accurate, but also consistent across different observers. One of Sripati's key contributions was helping to standardize astronomical practices. This meant that similar methods were used across different scholars. Calculations followed clearer procedures, and results could be more easily compared. Astronomy became more dependable as a predictive science because results could be reproduced and verified. Predictions of planetary positions and eclipses became increasingly reliable. This stage represents an important shift from refining individual calculations to establishing shared methods of calculation. Sripati's work helped strengthen the foundation of astronomical practice in India. By improving consistency and accessibility, he made it easier for later astronomers to build upon existing knowledge. His contribution reflects the importance of standardization in scientific progress. So that concludes our discussion on Sripati and the standardization of astronomical calculation. We'll be back again next time for another episode of Multicultural Astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.